Welcome to PT Time with Tim. I'm Dr. Tim, a licensed physical therapist. Today's topic is massage guns, also known as percussion guns, percussion devices, Theragun, Hypervolt. It's got endless amount of names and different brands. Basically, the percussion device provides a deep tissue massage or a myofascial release through the attachment, which goes at a high frequency. There are a ton of different types of these devices that you can find on the internet. They span in price range from $40 or $50 all the way up to several $100s. Basically, they're all the same. I don't want to say the quality is exactly the same. I'm sure the materials are different, but even the cheaper ones can provide the basic necessities that you need with them. This device here was about $60 from Amazon, and I'll link some of the devices in the description below. But basically, the higher price the device, the varying speeds, the more speeds that you'll be able to get on the device. This one has 3 speeds, and that's totally plenty for me. Also, the amount of attachments come with, depending on the price of the device. So this device here came with 4 different attachments. There's a round foam head. There's a fork-like attachment. I call this one almost like a bullet kind of attachment, just a single. And then here's a flat head. So just depending on the type of tissue that you're working on and your tolerance to it, each person has kind of, you can pick and choose between which one you like using. The 2 attachments that I recommend most of the time, though, are the round foam head. I usually recommend this for beginners, or if you're more sensitive and you're not a big fan of deep tissue massage, definitely start out with the foam head. It's much more tolerable and softer. I go straight for the bullet type, which is just pure plastic, and it's a single point, and it definitely I get the most benefit out of this one here. There definitely are some precautions for those who should be careful of when using a percussion device, and those are if you have hypertension, diabetes, osteoporosis, if you have any like open cuts on the skin, any sensitivity to pressure, if you have varicose veins. So you definitely want to be careful and always consult your doctor before trying any new device. To properly use a massage gun or percussion device, you expose the area that you're going to use it on. We always want to use this on muscle. We never use this over bone. You're not trying to massage a bone. Also, you never want to put it around the face or neck. So we don't want to do this around the arteries, especially the carotid arteries that go up in the neck area. Never over the heart area. So typically on the extremities, the low back works really well. But I love to do it on my calf muscle, so that's where we're going to do it today. I'm going to turn on here. This is the low mode, so the low speed. I'm going to go right down the calf muscle, and I'm going to find those tight, tender areas. And I'll just slowly go back and forth over those areas. Now, I personally like the medium speed mode best. It just has that optimal frequency to it for me. Gently apply pressure and just kind of surround that whole area, because we really want to blanket that entire muscle. That entire muscle is going to be tight. And so we really want to kind of massage it up and down that area. Now, if you do find a spot, say you find a trigger point and it is just too painful, you can't tolerate it, then don't stay on that spot. Just go out around it. Start out around it on the muscle where it's less sensitive, and just kind of work that area, because it will help to decrease the tightness even in that more sensitive area. And then work your way closer, but as it kind of loosens up, go back to that spot that was kind of not tolerable in the beginning. So I usually recommend doing this for 3 to 5 minutes, and you can do this daily. I often get asked, when's the best time to use a massage gun? I recommend the best time to use massage gun is after activity. So during the activity, if you're running or cycling or hiking or something like that, the activity causes increased tightness in your muscles. So the muscles are working hard, they tighten up. Or say you're working at a computer, the muscles are tightening up. this device can help to relax those muscles after the activity. So I definitely recommend doing this after activity and for about 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for stopping by PT Time with Tim. You'll definitely want to check out my foam rolling exercises video next as you continue on your pathway to living a healthy and active lifestyle.